Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inkyfingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Now today I'm going to show you how to make a really cute no stamping Christmas card using some products from the July to December mini catalog and the Celebration 2 brochure. Now both of these are starting on August 3rd, and you'll be able to buy all of the products that are available here, and with that purchase earn free products from the Celebration brochure with your $60 or $120 purchase. So I'm going to be using this Peaceful Deer bundle, which is from the mini catalog. And I'm also going to show you two fabulous papers that you can earn for free from the Celebration brochure. This bedazzling glimmer paper and the Peaceful Prints 12 by 12 designer series paper. Let's take a closer look at that designer series paper right now. Now again, that gorgeous paper, 12 pieces of 12 by 12 designer series paper, you can get free with your $60 purchase starting August 3rd. So to start us off on this card, we need a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, scored in the center. We need 2 pieces of designer series paper, 4 by 3.5 inches and 4 by 2.5 inches. And then we need a 4 by 1 inch strip of the bedazzling paper. We're also going to do a little bit of punching and die cutting, so we'll need some spare paper for that. Let's start with that step. I'm going to cut a scalloped circle using one of the dies from the Layering Circles dies right into this designer series paper. Then I'm going to cut a plain circle, also from the Layering Circles die set, with my black cardstock. Here's a look at the full set of layering circles. The last die cut piece I need is using this die from the Scalloped Contours set. Scalloped Contours is another set with lots of value. To create our deer, we have lots of choices. We can stamp some images from the Peaceful Deer stamp set and punch them out. The paper pack also includes deer that you can cut right out with the punch. But I think my favorite option is just to take some of that paper, flip it over, and punch a deer from any pattern that you like. Today, I'm going to use this one to assemble my card. Be sure to stick around for the end of the video, where I'll show you some other holiday cards I've made and tell you how you can get free tutorials to make them yourself. Your Deer Builder punch will also punch out a nose if you like. Or you can use red rhinestones to create Rudolph's shiny nose. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Now, I promised to show you 2 other cards I've created recently with products from the new catalog. When you place an order with me in the month of August, you'll receive tutorials for not only creating these 2 cards, but dozens of other beautiful holiday-themed cards as well, created by talented demonstrators from all over the world. Be sure to place an order through me or through my online store to receive this amazing tutorial bundle. You'll be crafting all season long with all the inspiration to be found. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. If there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. I am not currently offering in-person classes, but you can visit my website to see all the different virtual events I am offering, including Creativity to Go, Mystery Stamping, Stash Cards, and Bring Your Own Project. All of these classes are fun, social, creative, and welcoming. I hope to see you there soon. Find all of these details and so much more on my website. If you're watching this on YouTube, I invite you to join me on my Facebook page, Inkyfingers Papercrafting. There are fun, creative challenges and other opportunities to win cards from me every week. And if you do place an order, please use the current Hostess Code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. If you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own online party. Drop me a line for more details. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stamping. Bye!